Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting two numbers, total clicks and total impressions for the exact time frame you want. Once done, filter by source, add campaign, email, or organic, so you compare apples to apples. Make sure to exclude bots or invalid events before you count, otherwise your rate will be distorted. Then write down clicks and impressions. Finally, position those figures side by side so you can compute clicks divided by impressions and proceed to convert to a percentage. Now clean and segment your dataset to get meaningful results. Remove duplicates and test traffic first. This ensures accuracy. Next, segment by device, campaign, or landing page so you can find where CTRs differ. This helps you diagnose performance. If a segment has very low impressions, combine it with a similar group or flag it as statistically unreliable. Once segmentation is settled, you're ready to apply the formula to each group and compare results against your expectations or Finally, calculate CTR by dividing clicks by impressions and multiplying by 100 to get a percentage, then round to a practical decimal place. Interpret that percentage against your benchmark. Higher means better relevance or creative, lower suggests issues with copy, targeting, or placement. If numbers seem wrong, verify your tracking pixels, add server logs, and filter rules. One key troubleshooting tip. If CTR is 0 or implausibly low, confirm impressions are recorded correctly before changing creatives or targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.